Yo, it's been a couple days, but we back in action, baby. No progress has been made on the turbo stuff. I'm still waiting to sell, well, the supercharger stuff. I really thought that the supercharger stuff would have been sold by now because it's for a great price. I have a turbo from Jack Spaniel Racing coming out to GT35 something. I don't know nothing about turbo stuff yet, like when it comes to like models and I don't know. So it's on the screen of what I got coming for this thing, but yeah, turbo is on the way. I have my Atom manifold that I might be running on this setup. If not, I might just run it on an 8th gen later down the road. I reached out to Full Race to see if they would sell me their kits on the screen for like a decent price, maybe like a couple $100 off. That'd be nice. So hopefully they'll work with me on that, man. You never know, bro. Put it in the air and hope, you know, it works in my favor. So that'd be pretty cool. No update stuff on the Integra. It's just sits in the air on them quick jacks. Now for the Civic, oh, we got some updates and install. What we have right here is a brand new door because this door is just, bro, it has a doo-doo of rust right there, garbage. And then on the inside, the thing broke off, so that's not gonna work anymore. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually put on this door. I'm gonna take this door off, put that one on, and swap the locks over and remove the tent, and then we'll have a new door on the car. And I'll probably do some unboxings of stuff for you guys, but yeah, this is what's going on, pimp. Door panel removed. I already took out the 2 bolts. There's a bolt right there. You can't see it, never mind. Why am I even, you can't see it. Bro, this car was definitely mandled before. Look at this, bro. Look how they mounted the speaker. This car has been through some shit. Yeah, I'm about to go Jeep on y'all hoes. You feel me? I'm finna slap a Jeep in them all for you, feel me? Go over here to the doors. I have to remove this harness because the new door, did the new door come with a harness? I don't know if it did. Nah, I didn't. So yeah, I gotta put my harness from over here onto the door and then we'll be good. We'll be good. All right, I got everything connected. I just gotta figure out now to change the locks over from that door to this door. And yeah, everything is situated, ready to go. This goes to the door card, and yeah, put the new hand things on, and then we should be good to go, bruh. But I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that door lock, because I do want to replace that door lock. I gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna do that.
So I just had to pry this tab out from underneath this metal here, and that's what unlocked it. I need to remove this clip here, push that off, pull that straight up, pull the door panel out of the car.
Check your boy out, son. I got my lock switched over. Yo, shout out to 1A Auto, son. That video came in mad clutch. Got my key thing in there working, got everything situated. Hopefully Randy pulls up so he can help me put the door back on the car, because yeah, this is not it. It'll be a thumbnail. Somebody stole my door. Somebody stole the door off my Honda Civic. Clickbait. I need the views. It is what it is, pimp. Look at this, dude. This door was already, like, the damn screw, you can't see it. Maybe you can, I don't know. The damn screw is still in here. Like, there's a screw still in there, bro. Like, it broke off when I was removing it. I just gotta remove these, swap these over, and then we're good. Just gotta pop it out from here, right here. Use that clip, pop that open right there, and we good to go, pimp. Yeah, these painted black would be fire. Oh shit, I done broke it. I got my bad outside with me. What up, Chosen? Last time we seen yo, you was like mad skinny and mad small. This nigga big now. All this nigga do is eat. Look how big he is, bruh. Like a raccoon. Chosen. Say what up to the vlog. You gonna say what up to the vlog? Huh? You gonna say what up to the vlog? Alright, dog. I'm on my Jesse from Fast and Furious shit, you heard?
Put all the bolts right here?
Yeah. Well, as you can see, Randy pulled up, and now we're gonna put this damn door back on, so I can have a door. I clickbait this whole video since somebody stole my shit.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
You feel me? So close. Well, maybe a flathead screwdriver get that bitch in there. No, nigga, a beast.
Just the back up. You want me to hold it? You catch it?
You calling me a bitch?
You sound like a bitch, nigga.
Okay,
nigga moaning and everything over here, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, come in towards me.
You holding it? This shit light.
Yes, nigga.
Oh.
Ain't no way your ass was gonna hold this bitch. That nigga said,
You be kind of light. I thought
I thought he was fucking
worked out.
pick the top up.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Panda. Hey, this kind of go hard. I ain't gonna hold you. I got like a little livery on the whip. You feel me? I can't wait for this car to have a livery one day. That'd be sick. One day, bruh. Yup, it's crazy, bro. My damn door got stolen, but somehow the homie brought me one from Fort. Bro, let me tell you about today. Also, the title's clickbait, obviously. I responded to this ad on Facebook Marketplace about needing an ABS. This was like, I don't know how long ago this was. This is about like maybe 5 days ago, 5-6 days ago, whatever. His name is John Mike. So John, if you're watching this, bro, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. He wrote me back. He was like, yo, you still need the ABS? I was like, oh, no, I'm good, bro. I did the ABS delete. No, I was like, I was just gonna get the lines from the ABS stuff. I didn't need the ABS system. I just needed the line off. So I was just gonna, instead of doing ABS relocation, I was gonna do the lines. Well, just the line, but I was like, I might just relocate it and just have all fresh ass, like the bendable brake lines and shit like that, right? Cool. Days later, after that conversation, I think I reached back out to him. I was like, yo, do you have a door? And then lo and behold, days later from that conversation, he drove down like an hour and 30 minutes and gave me a door. He didn't charge me for gas. I tried to give him gas. He said, nope. He said, bro, I just appreciate your content and things of that nature. And I was like, bro, I appreciate it. So I get, you know, your boy hooked him up with some merch. And it's just, bro, I'm so thankful that the community that, you know, I'm blessed to be a part of, that's my back, son. Like I obviously would have paid for the door and whatever the case may be. Like, for him to drive it down and just like deliver it with no cost, no gas, like especially in this crazy ass day and age, it's just wild to me. I don't know, man. I'm just thankful. So John, if you're watching this, brother, I appreciate you. Thank you so much, man. I hope you enjoy the merch and the videos. I hope this video, your homie's door is now on my car, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, so next video should be putting the big wing, either the wing or the carbon fiber vented bonnet. So look out for one of those videos. Should be the next day or so. Yup. Today is the last day for the Alpha Injection giveaway. If you want to win $200 or a hybrid racing fuel rail, all you have to do is buy a set of injectors and you automatically enter to win. You know you need injectors. Them boof ass things you call injectors are trash, bruh. Go ahead and get Alpha injected. You see this scientist white dude right here? He gonna get you right, pimp. Don't mind me, I'm just pretending I'm driving a race car. That's all. Link down below to Alpha Injection. Get injected. I can't say that because then you're gonna have people like thinking that I'm telling them to take drugs and all. Nah, just get Alpha injected. Alright, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Merch down below, 2022 race team hoodies, shirts, Passion Breeds quality hoodies, everything is down in the description box below. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you didn't enjoy the video, dislike on the video, and all I love you, I don't give a fuck. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.